upload 4 times a week. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, from name brand wigs to affordable beauty supply store wigs. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little dog babies. Hi dog baby, hi dog baby, hi dog baby, hi dog baby. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, so happy that you are here. So I do have another name brand wig for you today, but today we have a wig by Henry Margu. I have reviewed one other Henry Margu, and then this one right here is a Henry Margu. This is Enchantress, and I've done Presley. So I don't have a ton of experience, but I'm happy so far. This is Miss Naomi, okay? And I have Naomi in the color 26H. You can get this for about $220 retail. I actually scooped this wig up from Poshmark for $30. So like, OMG. You can find some great deals on there if you really, really try. If you have not shopped at Poshmark before, I will link my video where I show you how to do that. And I will also put my link down below for Poshmark to my closet, but it also will give you $10 off your first purchase if you decide that you want to purchase from Poshmark. And in that video about sort of teaching you how to use Poshmark, I also talk about tips to look for when you're looking at wig listings, so you know you're not going to get gypped. Poshmark is really, really great. This isn't even like sponsored by Poshmark, but Poshmark is really, really great because of their policy for sellers and buyers, really to ensure that things like that do not happen. So let's talk about Naomi. Naomi is a lace front. She is a monofilament part. The part goes back pretty far, actually. So that's really cool. It does not say that she is sort of heat safe or anything. It says she's a updated bob with precision styling and layering with beachy waves. It's interesting that they say beachy waves. I do get that, and you see with me getting it together that I use a sort of round brush to enhance, but I also want to try using sea salt spray to see if I can take it up a notch. But let's go ahead and look at her from the back first. This is an average cap, but I have to tell you, I find it a little bit snug, and I have my circumference is 21.5 inches, which is petite to average. I don't think that, it doesn't feel like it's tightened like a lot. So yeah, this is so cute. I really like how this hugs. This color is like, I wasn't sure about the color, but I really, really love it. I also thought like if I hated the color, I could dye it, because you can dye colors like this. But I love it. There is some dimension, and I wasn't sure there would be. It's definitely lighter towards here. Beautiful little stack. I love what it's doing around the face. This is one I'm definitely going to keep. I'm telling you that right now. I'm super happy with this one. But let's go ahead and see what happens when I do a little bit of sea salt spray, just to see if we can, pump up these beachy waves a little bit. I love using these sea salt sprays for that. I've used it on a few wigs, and I also have it like a review. And you just sort of like work it in and sort of do like a little scrunchy do. For being as short as it is, it's like you can really do a little something with it in terms of, if you wanted to make it a little bit more straight. Use this sea salt spray. Let's go ahead and use the comb to just sort of accentuate, not the comb, this little round brush to accentuate. I just really love how these curls are really coming around the face, sort of tall-soled, beachy. There really is dimension in this color, which I'm very surprised about. I thought it'd be more of a flat platinum, but it really does have dimension in it. There's some slightly darker pieces, a lot of lighter on the under. Yeah, this is really cute. I really like this. I think that you could even do like this cute little tuck behind the ear, and just play up on the one side. You could bring it really, really forward, which I think is cute as well. And really have these pieces right around the face. or you can just sort of bring it up. That lace front is really beautiful too. It is sort of a harder sort of French lace. It's that bendable ear tabs. Yeah, this is kind of a smaller cap. I wonder if it was a petite. It doesn't show that it actually comes in a petite. So it's Henry Margu's average cap. I don't remember what I felt like with the fit of Presley, so I'll have to keep that in mind for when I do Enchantress, if I feel like Henry Margu in general has smaller wig caps. So I'll have to keep that in mind. If you have some more experience with Henry Margu and you feel like their wig caps are a little bit, they run a little small, go ahead and put that down below if you don't mind. But yeah, so this is what I have for her. I really like this wig. Like I said, I can already tell right now I'm going to keep this wig. I've been wanting sort of a platinum wig that just wasn't like too much, if that makes sense. And I think this one is just perfect. Yeah, so what do you think? Do you like her? Do you not? Do you have this wig? I think this is an adorable wig. Great for work. You could really jazz this up for, you know, if you were going out. I think it's just with these sort of waves and the beachiness, it just gives it like such a pretty, just an easy, beautiful style. So yes, this is what I have for you. If you have this wig, please let me know what you think down below. If there's another Henry Margu wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. Thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!